Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your store font on Shopify. So first you can go to your Shopify dashboard. After that, you can go to online store here. And then you can click themes here. After that, you can click customize here. And then in the left, you can click theme settings here. And then as you can see, there is typography. You can click it. And then as you can see, this is the option to change your fonts. For body, can change it one by one. So for system fonts, it will be a lot faster. And if other fonts, it will be, slower because the customers have to download it first to their computer. So let's say I want to choose system fonts, click this one, and it will change. Okay, after that, you can just click select here, and it's done for body. For heading, you can also change it. Let's say you want to mono also, can click and it will change. It's changed, right? And then click select.